minus 2 minutes to PDI.
And Capcom, they did say that they're 100% ready?
That's what they told me.
Okay, Roger, if they're ready, we're ready. Let's do it. FAO, have copy. And all flight controllers, let's have essential comms only during this period. This is it, guys. This is it. If they're ready, we're ready. Let's do it. Capcom, you've got the count.
Buzz, are you going to
Roger
do
that.
procedures on the PDI timeline?
Approaching 1 minute.
Minus 1 minute to PDI.
Buzz, are you going to do the items on the PDI timeline?
Current PDI timeline.
Confirm you are going to do the items there.
Affirm.
Roger that, and Houston Master Arm is on.
Okay, here we go.
AGC looks good. Program 663 is confirmed. Standing by.
Minus 30 seconds.
Dips armed.
Roger, dips armed.
Minus 20. Minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dips ignition.
We have ignition. 10% throttle.
Okay, are we going?
Eagle, can you confirm that you started your burn?
PDI is initiated. Throttle up.
Throttle up, confirm. control is auto descent engine command override is off, engine arm off, 413 +1, Parker valve recycling.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Woo!
Yay.
Alright, Capcom, let's get a good copy on that.
Eagle, I copy you. Congratulations.
Word out, Neil.
You bet we are.
Alright, good job, everybody. Good job. That was definitely worth it. Okay, Capcom, let's have them go flight recorders off, and let's have them start their post-landing procedures.
Cool. Turn your flight recorders off and begin your post-landing procedures, please.
Roger that. Flight recorder's coming off in